and might be some new trees. There you go.
You're probably not going to ascend like that through the rapids.
Probably
though.
not. I just...
Stuck in the end. Hey, I got a question. Can you see yourself in the camera?
I don't have my glasses on.
Can you see yourself in the camera?
Yeah.
Is it so? It's facing right.
Yeah.
Picture, but do you see you?
I saw my boat.
Okay.
Okay. Hear all that? You hear it?
Yeah.
You hear it? It's death.
Then asked if it was the wind.
It's death waiting for you to go. They're gonna flip that raft right there. They're done now.
Choices. Life choices.
I took this down the middle of Kauai, and it was like being in an uncontrollable car going down a hill that you're not driving. See? It's neat how clear it is.
When you're going through that white water, you don't want to be sideways. You want to stay as straight through it as possible. Okay? If you're going backwards straight, it'll be fine. But if you come out of the boat, lift your feet up and just lay back. Right, Dallas?
This ain't that deep. Like, I can stick my hand in and I touch the bottom.
Yeah, that's the problem, is you can get your leg caught. So you want to float like this. Like, you want to try to float like with your feet up and your arms up, because all the rocks, you can get your leg caught, and then the water's trying to push you forward.
You're like, wham, wham.
Yeah, you want to look like a turtle on your back. Like a turtle. Nah, you'll be fine. Just before any rapids, just straighten the boat up and try to keep it straight, like through the rapid. Keep it straight. Yeah, boy. A little. Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Probably one of the best parts. Yeah.
Hope you got a pretty good one.
Yeah. There he is. That's one of the best parts right there. Floaty. Eddie. Yeah, Eddie. Calvin. You want to hear something funny? So I'm working on a cartoon with characters based on people that I know, like you and Melody and Mom, Dad. So your name's Calvin.
My name's Calvin.
In the cartoon. It don't look like you. Melody's name's Misty. It's Misty and Calvin. They're Mimorns. It's a new one.
Grandma Claire used to call me Calvin.
Calvin?
Calvin.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
I'm so happy the weather cooperated. It is perfect. Yeah, I've noticed with those rocks, as you go over them, if you lean back, see how it takes the weight off the butt and you won't get stuck. Whee! It's like a tilt-a-whirl on the river. So stay left.
Stay left.
The water's deeper on the
Left.
Everything's better on the left side. The water. Stay in the middle. Just stay in the middle. They're gonna have to get off. They keep picking the boat line. cold. That's a snake. Seriously? That's a snake. I got a snake, man.
Copperhead.
Look at that thing.
Copperhead.
Dang. I guess the water. I got you. I got you. I guess it's not too cold. What are you gonna do with it? You gonna bring it home? What's its name?
It will try to get in your boat. Get him, maybe not the tree, maybe towards the shoreline.
What is tree? I got a snake, man. Oh, look at this. It's going. I see it. Well, I'm not getting back in that water. Yeah. That's the line right there. Here, I even still. That's the line right there to get through it for some reason. There he goes. That's the line right over there. Let's see. Huh?
Did you get to film the snake?
Yeah. There you go. Woo. That was pretty good. Yeah. So the Koi is like that the whole time, and then it has a little more extreme highs than that. What do you think about sitting in a tube like that? Does that look comfortable to you?
I don't think I'd want to be in a tube.
Yeah, that was good. That's the best part. That's the finale because we're almost done.